I don't know exactly how it is because I haven't been up to it yet. But this crevice has gotten a lot bigger. And I'm going to see what it's done. All this washed out. It used to be a little bit more level. I like it. Kind of a trip how it all washes out like it does and forms the hill, the mountain. Look at the purple flower. Oh, really neat. Here we go. See what's up here. Look, another purple flower. Hi. Somebody's texted. Look at this. How really cool is that? Just kind of washed out. That's really neat. I think so. What's in there, Copper? We'll get closer. Metal can. Very old. Okay, let's go. We had enough. How neat. Okay. I just wanted to share that kind of neat looking thing. I'm on a special trip. Again, I gotta remind myself every trip is special. But how neat every different time